Hello, and welcome everyone. And thank you so much for joining us for another match of Quizzing with the Comedians. This, as you know by now, is an exclusively movies-based quizzing for the entire weekend. My first guest today is one of my favorite people and favorite comedian and favorite co-quizzer, Kenneth Sebastian.
Oh my God, you call me a co-quizzer. I'm very honored. I'm very honored.
I'm calling our second contestant who is a Bollywood buff. She not just watches a lot of movies, knows a lot about Bollywood, but also conducts a lot of quizzes. She's a very fun person, otherwise great comedian, but more importantly, a freaky Bollywood buff as they call it. Let me call upon Pavitra Shetty.
Like how KV said quizzes, it was only one quiz. Only one. But I'll take whatever praises that come my way.
Yeah. Third contestant is another Bollywood buff. She is mad about movies, knows a lot about Bollywood, and we call upon the big Pavitra competition today, Shrija Chaturvedi.
Background OP.
Hello.
What a background. Okay.
Wow.
So Srija is here, Pavitra is here, Kenneth is here. Our fourth contestant is actually the only contestant on this quarterfinal who has actually worked in movies, unlike all of us who just watch movies. Our fourth contestant has worked as a part of the director's team as an AD on Man Marziya, on Bombay Velvet, on Raman Raghav,
Wow.
and of course, she directed her own film. There's a wonderful film called Swaha, which you guys should check out on Flipkart app. Yeah, promoting everyone's work on this quiz. Let me call upon, without much further ado, Smritika Panikkari. Smritika.
Yo.
Yeah.
Also, KV, I'd just like to point out I take this so seriously. I came dressed in the theme.
Wow. Okay,
Oh.
and I can't help but give you 1 point for a
Yeah.
Godfather reference for one of my favorite movies. I wore a Star Wars
I
t-shirt
knew
because
that.
there was no Star Wars question in this quiz. So I was like, this is no hint. Welcome to the second quarterfinal. Can all of you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Very direct, simple question for Kenneth. Which Francis Ford Coppola film set in Vietnam borrowed its structure from Joseph Conrad's Heart of Darkness? I will explain the question. So we know the director is Francis Ford Coppola, the great director.
Okay.
And this particular movie of his is based in Vietnam. It's a Vietnam-based movie, Vietnam War-based movie. And the basic movie comes from this great book that Joseph Conrad wrote. It's a novella, like a small book called Heart of Darkness. Uh, yeah, that's it. There are 2-3 hints there, and you need to figure out which movie is this.
Okay. I don't know this, so I'm gonna guess Scarface.
Not Scarface. Scarface is not neither Coppola nor Vietnam-based. I'm going to Pavitra now.
Oh, some clues. Okay.
Going to
I'm confused between two options. It's either Dil Lagi or Dil Ka Rishta. I can't tell. Both were on similar lines, but it's one
giving
of them.
1 point to Pavitra. What Dil Lagi and Dil Ka Rishta being Francis
Oh no,
Ford
Pavitra
Coppola.
started.
Yeah,
No.
Pavitra begins.
Yeah.
Pavitra, do you have another answer?
That is it. The two
Okay, that
answers
is
I
your
gave.
answer.
Third I should give.
No, it's fine. Going to Srija now. Srija.
Pass.
Passing to Sophie now.
Apocalypse Now.
Of course,
Oh,
Apocalypse
sweet.
now. Full 10 points to Sophie.
Nerd.
But
Uh,
Marlon Brando's there in this, no, where he's lost his shit
Yeah.
or something.
yeah. In fact, Srija is wearing Francis Ford Coppola movie ka thing, Godfather, and his other famous film is the great Vietnam-based movie, Apocalypse Now. The next direct question will go to Kenneth. As we know, Marx Brothers were real-life siblings and considered to be one of the most successful comedy acts of early 20th century. Okay? Inspired by their work, X, okay, X is another person who decided to make Y. So Y is a movie.
Oh.
Okay? X is a person who decided to make Y. Y went to be the second highest grossing Hindi movie of 1958. Okay, and it's still considered one of the finest works of its genre. Who is X and who is Y? Okay, I will explain the question.
Oh wow. Okay.
Real life siblings is in bold. That should guide you towards hints. Okay, so Marx
Okay.
Brothers were like these bunch of people who were actually brothers. So someone got inspired saying, the brothers are making nice movies and like, okay, comedy movies. Let me try and do something. And he made a movie called Why. And Why became really successful. It was in 1958, the second highest grossing film in 1958. And till date, a lot of people say, yeah, it was a great movie. So it has aged well. Who is X, who made the movie, and what is Y, which is the movie.
Oh, sorry. X is the director. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, X made the movie, might be producer also, but heavily involved in the making of the film. And Y is the film.
Man, I'm very bad with old Bollywood, so I'm just gonna. It has to be comedy and siblings. I don't know, man. I'm gonna say. I don't even know the name of the movie I'm thinking. Just for comedic answer, at least, I would say. I would say Karan Arjun.
Okay. 0.5 to Kenneth for siblings and Bollywood connection, then max that he could come up with. I'm going to Pavitra now.
Okay, I will do what I do best. Crack a joke. Marx brothers are the far-off relatives of Karl Marx. They're cousins, actually. So they were inspired by his name, and they have the latest hit song also, "Kaal Kaal Mein Hum Tum Kare Dhamaal," really well. And the movie, since Kenny already said the other brother and brother movie, the other one I know is Apne. You know that Apne.
Give him 1 point. 1 point to Pavitra for that
Thank you.
nice
It was a
rant.
long story. It was a long story.
That's amazing.
Great. Going to Srija. Pavitra, do you have to check every time or will that be your
No,
answer?
that is it.
Okay.
I will
Okay.
say if I know something
Okay.
else.
Going to okay, done. Going to Srija now.
Uh, uh, Venturing a guess, is this half ticket?
Not half ticket. Good guess. Do you want to guess the guy also in case you want to guess the guy?
Ashok Kumar.
Ashok Kumar and half ticket. No, not the right answer. Going to Sophie.
Is it X Kishore Kumar and Y Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi?
Yes, that is the perfect answer I
nice.
was looking for. 10 points.
Yeah.
Kishore Kumar and Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi. Kishore Kumar got inspired from Marx Brothers and made a wonderful movie called Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi with real life siblings. That was a hit. So Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi had real life siblings: Anup Kumar, Ashok Kumar, and Kishore Kumar. And that's why I gave Srija another chance to crack X because she was very close.
Yeah,
She said
I thought Srija almost had it, but I was like, no, please.
And the next direct will be to Kenneth. You need to
Okay.
connect the individual that you're seeing on board. When I say connect in
Oh.
quizzing, it means there is something that is common to all these people who you see on the screen. They're all relatively famous people, except the one on the left. His name is JC Kashyap, if that helps. But honestly, I don't think that will help. You can crack this with the 4 colored photos on the screen. What is common to these 4 guys?
Okay, they're all bald, and they one of them had a meltdown about उसपे joke नहीं मारने का है. So, right, he's that guy.
Yeah.
I love that guy.
I'm giving
okay,
you
I have
one.
a very
I'm giving you full 1 point for 0.5 for that bald, amazing visual observation skill that you have. That's why.
I have a very
That's
dumb
why
answer.
it was-
My dumb answer is I don't know this, so I'm guessing all these guys did theater and then they went on to become film actors. That's my guess.
No, we're looking for a much more specific connect.
Specific?
Because theater, a lot of people have done. So
Okay.
I will go to Pavitra now.
We are all on the same slide in Kumar Varun's quiz presentation. Nailed it.
0.5 to Pavitra. Pavitra, do you have an answer?
They are all above the age of 50 currently.
No. Okay, I'm going to Srija now.
Technically not wrong.
Yeah, that's why I'm now quickly moving to Srija because she keeps giving. They're all male, they're all Homo sapien, there's no end. They're all Indian nationals, they all have lived in Bombay. at some
She's gonna say something epic. I just know it. She's gonna say something.
Srija?
Hey, I would like to answer sincerely actually.
Yeah.
Have they all at some point played Gandhi?
Beautiful answer. 10 points to
Oh.
Srija. Is on the board.
Nice.
They've all played
Getting
Mahatma
points the
Gandhi.
way you're supposed to by answering correctly.
Wow.
So,
Point five to Srija for bringing the essence of quizzing back to the quiz. Rajat Kapoor played Gandhi from Gandhi to from Mohan to Mahatma. Something. I forgot the name now. Nasruddin Shah was Gandhi in Hey Ram, I think, and other like my friend, sorry, my Gandhi, my father, and all that. So yeah, these are the people who have all portrayed
Oh,
Mahatma Gandhi at some point in their life. Sophie, your direct question coming up on screen now. Okay, this is an interesting question. While a host of actors like Ben Affleck, Halle Berry, Mel Gibson, Brad Pitt, Al Pacino, they've all achieved a particular feat, okay, but in different
Oh,
years. Sandra Bullock remains the only person to achieve this in the same year,
surely
2020.
knows. Surely
yes,
knows it.
I know.
I
She
know.
got an Oscar and a Razzie in the same year, and she went to receive the Razzie. Can't be more
Yeah,
perfect than this.
wow.
beautiful answer. 10
Yeah.
points to Sophie. This is we're talking about winning the Oscar at the Razzie. And now I'm going to Kenneth. Great Expectations is a novel by Charles Dickens and is one of the most adapted books of all time. Okay. There have been
I
at
don't know
least
Bollywood.
there have been at
Okay.
least 7 movies. There have been several TV series based on the book. Now the question is: in 2016, there was a Hindi film starring Katrina Kaif and Tabu, which is based on the book Great Expectations. So, which 2016 Hindi film starring Katrina and Tabu is based on this 1861 novel?
I've I never knew that Katrina Kaif and Tabu were in a film together.
You
I'm
haven't?
gonna pass. I don't know this.
Oh, you're going to pass? Okay, going to Pavitra now.
Is it Fitur?
It is Fitur. Oh, now I know how the right answer comes from your screen. Okay, you answered
I
correctly.
know
Okay.
I will
Now
try.
it is Fitur. Fitur, a
Yes.
movie based in
Oh,
Kashmir, is actually inspired
it
from the
looks
book
very
Great
sexual.
Expectations.
This movie is very sexual looking.
You're going to watch
Yeah,
it
yeah,
as soon as this quiz gets over, no, Kenny?
No. I mean, if Tabu's in it, I'll see it.
Okay, 10 points to Pavitra. This is
Yay.
Pavitra's first answer
My
in
first. I'm a little emotional.
Congratulations, Pavitra.
Yay!
Shija, this is your a very direct question actually. In which movie have you seen this maths problem? Okay, take a look on this basically screen grab from famous movie, and I mean it's a hint. It's not a random. uh, The movie has this particular screenshot has a lot of importance in the movie. Which movie are we talking about? The content of the maths question is not a hint. Just the fact that there is a maths question on a blackboard is very important to the plot of the movie is what you should know. That's
Hey, can you tell me if it's Hollywood or Bollywood at least?
it. No, I am
Same
not do that in
question.
the
Not in the first round. Okay, got it.
not in the
You know, I will make a guess. And is it Dead Poet Society?
not Dead Good Society. Good guess. Going to Sophie now.
Is this Goodwill Hunting?
Of course, it is Goodwill Hunting. 10 points to
Oh,
Yeah.
She is
yeah.
that person who comes out of an exam and says, यार क्या घटिया पेपर था और फिर she
मुझे तो
tops.
कुछ भी नहीं समझा कुछ भी
Goodwill
नहीं
Hunting.
Yeah, Sophie.
I
That's
thought it
See,
was
मुझे
actually
maths
a
में
scene.
बिल्कुल नहीं आता. Seriously, like it's
Yeah,
was
that's why I kept
shocking.
saying. That's why I kept saying math is not important to this
yeah. So
question. Actually.
that's why I
Yeah.
got it.
So, in case
Did
you've
they
not seen
say-
Goodwill Hunting, this question is there on the board, and it's a challenge for people to solve this, and a janitor comes and solves this, and that's the main
I
protagonist.
thought
Janitor
maybe
who looks like
Matrix
Matt
because there
Damon.
was so much Matrix in it. I was like, शायद Matrix उसमें content भी तो है.
Okay, cool. Connect, this is your direct. Connect these actors to a historical figure. Okay, there are 4 actors on the screen right now. You need to connect them to one historical figure. There is Prithviraj Kapoor, there's Richard Burton, Colin Farrell, there's Sam Heughan. And this is a non-exhaustive list. There are other people also in this list, but I have picked 4 people which might help you get the answer.
I don't know. I'm gonna guess Winston Churchill.
Not Winston Churchill. Going to Pavitra now.
I don't know. Prithviraj is giving me very Lord Mountbatten vibes, so I'm just going to go with that.
Not Lord Mountbatten. Going to Shrija now.
Humayun?
Humayun. No, not Humayun. Going to Sophie
That's a
now.
great guess.
You know, I laughed and I'm like, what if it's right? Because I'm so clueless about this. I was like,
Yeah,
just stop
even I
laughing.
reacted. Then I was like, is it the serious guess, joke guess? I don't know which Shrija. With an absolute lack of expression, you can never get.
It was actually a serious guess. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Sophie, you're direct.
Uh, Salim and the like all the white people played the white version of Salim. I don't know.
Salim. I mean,
Yeah.
no, Prithviraj Kapoor didn't play Salim. He was playing Akbar in that movie, but it's not Akbar. Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah.
make it 5 points and going to go back to all of you again. The
Come back to me, KV.
yeah. Start with Kenneth and then go to everyone else. It's a 5 point question now.
No, I was
The
not
answer,
talking about the quiz.
okay. The answer is a great answer. That's your clue.
Alexander the Great.
Yeah, it is Alexander the Great. All of them have portrayed
Can you hear me?
Alexander.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all
Good.
of
Okay.
all of
Oh,
them
this is that
have
horrible
portrayed.
movie. Oh yeah, he was so bad in it.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
this one, Angelina Jolie was his mother,
Yes,
and it was
yes.
very weird. Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
Mother.
yes, yeah, yes.
Yeah,
Right,
so
Kenneth is
Alexander had an intimate relationship with his mother, which is very weird.
Oh, I was just going for the angle ki Angelina Jolie loves adopting, so maybe that's why.
Oh,
ये तो
Point,
sex
point
वाला
five.
scene निकला.
hey,
Point five to
Prithviraj,
Pavitra.
how is he connected?
He did a Hindi movie where he
He played
played Alexander. He was
Oh,
playing Sikandar. Sikandar
Second.
is the
oh,
South Asian version of Alexander. Okay. Point five
okay.
to point five to Pavitra and plus 5 to Kenneth for Alexander, which means the next direct question will be to Pavitra. एक रुका हुआ फैसला starring Anu Kapoor and Pankaj Kapoor is a highly acclaimed Bollywood film from 1986. Which Hollywood film is it inspired by? So our Kenny's help. एक रुका हुआ फैसला literally means a paused judgment. Judgment is not able to happen. It's paused or
Okay.
it's stopped. Okay, that is the hint. That's a huge.
Oh, I
hint.
thought a dry decision, like I was like, what does that even mean?
Wow, Pavitra.
Oh,
Wow.
that-
Point 5 to Pavitra for
Isn't that
difference
ek
between
ruka
her and
hua
her.
faisla then?
like
Kasu.
Ruka, dry is also Ruka sa,
Oh,
na?
ruka
Yeah.
also.
ये रुखी
Ruka is
था.
plain actually.
Plain, that makes more sense. Now I'm trying to get my thesaurus mode on. One word for. Fucking, why can't we take a. Is there any helpline we can take? No. No, I will pass this one. I'll pass this.
Okay, Pavitra is passing. Going to Srija.
Is it 12 Angry Men?
Beautiful answer. It is 12
Oh,
Angry Men.
nice.
12 Angry
Nice.
Men is the answer. As you know, Ek Ruka Hua Faisla and 12 Angry Men are the same movie. It's the same plot, like jurors sit and they can't give out the judgment. And the judgment has stopped with Ruka Hua
I like the
Faisla,
word
which is-
inspired.
Yeah. Okay, 10 points to Srija and 12 Angry Men is correct, which means I'm going to go to Sophie now. So the image below shows the people thanked most number of times in Academy Award speeches. Okay, and these are let me clarify these are like actual people that we're talking about, except God, of course. So the answer will not be my mother, father, or my kid, or my dog, or driver. So you can see the number from 1966 to 2016 for these 50 years. These are the people who were thanked on the stage while Academy Award winning speeches were given. God is on second. Peter Jackson is there, the guy who created LOTR. There's George Lucas who created Star Wars and amongst other things. There's Martin Scorsese is there. The Weinsteins are there. So a lot of people are being. But who is thanked the most number of times, and even more than God himself or herself? Okay, after this answer, we'll start with reverse influence.
But it should be parents, no? Like Lord Ganesha also has established this very clearly in the past and that's how he won that round. So we should win this round based on the answer parents as well.
Pavitra 0.5, yes, mythological plus family references. Really appreciate. Sophie, do you have a guess?
ऐसे तो वाइफ
Is
भी हो
it-
सकती है.
Is it Clint Eastwood?
Not Clint Eastwood, going to Kenneth.
Okay, I am confused between two names.
Okay.
One is an obvious answer, another is like little. What should I do? What should I do? God, who's on the second list?
The list is wrong, Kenny. If God is second, the list is wrong.
Smritika, should I do the should I do what I think is the answer or the more nuanced answer? What do you think I should do?
The one you think. I think.
The one you think, yeah.
Just go
अपनी
with
दिल
your
की
heart.
अपनी आंखें बंद करके जो भी आपको कहे कि
सबसे
सामने
पहले
नजर
जिसका
आया
नाम आता है उसका नाम
उसका
guess करो.
Kumar Varun.
Wow.
My actual answer is going to be Kunal Kamra, but let's not go there. Because he's everywhere. So I'm gonna say John Williams instead of my other answer.
No, not John Williams.
Damn it!
Pavitra now.
I have a joke answer, but you said it's not a person. But I feel they should thank Academy Awards, no? Since Academy Awards is giving them the Academy Award.
Yeah.
So I felt
Yeah,
that should
but
be
I already clarified it has to be.
not a person. Yeah, but I just cracked the joke.
It
and
is
was
a
hoping-
person only.
Haan, it's
It
a
is the
person.
person.
Yeah.
God. Themselves? Like, no, nobody has that kind of self.
That really
No
Matthew
doubt.
McConaughey does.
Okay, I'll go to Shrija now.
Steven Spielberg.
Yeah, I don't know why people are not saying he's the literally the only guy missing on
I know, that was the other answer.
Wow, okay.
No, I believe it's
God.
like Clint Eastwood.
It is Steven Spielberg from 66 to 26.
Yeah.
My God.
Great answer.
Thank
Great
you.
answer.
I feel it should be fair.
Thank you,
I
God.
always thought
Now.
it's Harvey Weinstein.
We'll now do Infi rounds, which means we'll start now with Pavitra and then go to Kenneth, Sophie, Shrija. Pavitra, Kenneth, Sophie, Shrija in that order. So this will be Pavitra's lyrics since Shrija got the nice answer. Pavitra, this is your answer. We all know Amul creates a lot of topical ads. Which movie inspired this Amul topical ad?
This is low
अरे
budget
ये
दिल
लोग
चाहता है.
बाइक में बैठे हैं बीप बीप.
Yeah, low budget दिल चाहता है. No.
Huh? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Yes.
Also, this could have been Three Idiots ka that scene where that Babuji is in the middle, but Kareena doesn't look like herself in this. So, fucking bread and butter is looking very tempting right now. That's distracting. Okay. I don't know. Okay, pass. I gave my 2-3 answers.
Passing to Kenneth.
Okay, I know you won't believe me, but the other answer was Spielberg, so I'm very sad. But this question
No,
I
no.
know. It's the only Bollywood question I know, and it's Swades.
Beautiful answer.
Oh,
It is
shit.
Swadesh.
Damn it.
10 points to Kenneth. It
Oh,
says
I was
eaten
just-
by We the People. Swadesh was
Oh
We the
shit.
People. And there are this is the scene that inspired this.
I love that he says, got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Sophie, which acting teacher, synonymous with his method acting school, was nominated for Best Supporting Actor Academy Award in his debut film role at the age of 73 in the film The Godfather Part 2?
Is this Lee Strasberg?
It is Lee Strasberg. Full 10 points to Sophie.
Yeah.
Because this is a slightly more verbose question, but I'll try and explain. But there are enough hints. I've not highlighted the hints because I want you guys to find out the hints. Okay, so we are talking about a certain movie. Huh? And I'm explaining the final scene of the movie. The final scene of the movie was filmed in one take. The Coens have described this movie as the closest that ever probably get to make an action movie. This is according to them. Yet, despite everything that happens in the movie, the final scene is a very quiet scene. Okay, with the sheriff delivering an extended monologue about a dream he had about his late father. Okay, so this is the scene. I will repeat. We're talking about the final scene of a movie made by the Coens, and according to them, it's the closest they've gotten to making an action movie. But it's according to them. Don't tell me later कि अरे race में तो action ऐसा था वैसा था. But the final scene ends on a much quieter note. It's a very shant scene compared to the rest of the movie, with the sheriff. That's another hint. Delivering an extended monologue about the dream he had about his late father. When asked how many takes it took, Jones, here comes another hint, Jones simply answered 1. When asked whether it was a tough scene to film, his answer was again succinct and he said, no, I had been practicing. Okay, which movie are we talking about?
Wild guess. Silence of the Lambs.
No, Silence of the Lambs is not a Coen Brothers movie. Going to Pavitra now.
Hmm. None of your hints rang any bell with me. Imagine. Just imagine. You said monologue, I thought of Kartik Aaryan. You said Jones, I thought of Jack and Jones. You said none of it. Everything else, my brain went somewhere else. So I
Giving
will
point
just
five for attempt.
thank you, thank you. Also, quite the show off. Huh? Now I had been practicing. I like this man's vibe. I
Yeah.
just like it. But I will gracefully pass it on to someone who
Okay.
will know this
Gracefully passing to Kenneth.
I don't know, dude. I'm just gonna say No Country for Old Men.
Beautiful answer. Kenny gets full 10
Oh,
points. It is No Country for Old Men.
that's the only
Nice.
name I could remember. Okay.
Sophie, same role in all these movies was played by the same person. The five movies on your screen are Bawarchi, Lagan, Jodha Akbar, Ravan, and Krish 3.
I'm not getting it. So one actor played the same role in all the films.
One
Am I
person
reading
played
this wrong? Yeah.
one person played the same role in.
I'll pass.
Okay, passing to Srija.
Is it Tom Alter?
Not Tom Alter. Passing to Pavitra.
It was Akon. He sang a song for promotional purposes in all movies. Wanna be my
Point
summer channel.
point five. Guessing only on the basis of Ravan. Uh, Going to Kenneth now.
Is it that elephant that Hrithik Roshan
Oh my
saw in
God.
Jodha Akbar?
No, no, no. It's not the elephant. It's not.
Okay, I'm gonna
So,
guess. Is it that guy? Is it that guy who? I don't know his name. Okay, fuck it. Sorry.
okay, I'll take one more round with make it 5 points now. Okay. So this is a 5 point question now with an extra hint. The hint is this person does not appear on screen in the movie.
Oh.
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 Okay, can I answer?
Yes, you can
Oh,
answer. You're
Amitabh
right.
Bachchan.
Yeah, Amitabh
The
Bachchan
narrator.
is the narrator in
Oh,
all these movies.
fuck.
5 points to
Damn.
Sophie. He was the narrator in Bawarchi, in Lagan,
That's a
in
cool
Jodha Akbar,
question,
in
dude.
Ravan,
That's a cool question.
and in Krish 3. The answer
Well played.
is Amitabh Bachchan.
You know what?
Srija,
I want to
you need to identify the movie from this quote. A, fight and you may die, run and you will live at least a while, and dying in your beds many years from now, would you be willing to trade all the days from this day to that for one chance, just one chance to come back here and tell our enemies that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom. Which movie are we talking about?
Hey, 12 Years a Slave.
Not 12 Years a Slave, going to Pavitra now.
Cause he's black. Not a good idea right
Not
now.
the 12 years, the 12 angry men who didn't want their freedom to be. That's why they were probably angry. I don't know. But this also sounds like I also thought Hollywood, Bollywood because Padmavat, they were also like, Adu we die or shit happens to us. So, yeah. But again, no idea.
Okay, passing to Kenneth.
I'm gonna guess. Is it Braveheart?
Of course, it's Braveheart. 10 points to
Braveheart.
Kenneth.
Nice.
Damn it!
It's the famous war
I was
cry.
really hoping nobody would get it.
Which
You know,
It's the
Ritika,
guy.
I've not seen Braveheart, but I know the whole movie is about inspirational quotes. So I guess.
yeah, William Wallace is the character that portrays this, and he says they may take our life, but they'll never take our freedom. And 10 points to Kenneth.
Freedom.
Beautiful. Sophie, okay, we are coming back to Bollywood now. Kailash Kher shared the Filmfare Award for Best Singer with Shan for a song in which he had sung just one word. Okay, identify which song are we talking about?
Okay, is it One Love? The
No, not One Love. Okay, going to Srija now. Okay, Srija, do you have a guess?
Yeah, pass.
Passing to Pavitra.
Was it the word Mola? That Mola, 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 Mola,
No.
Mola.
Oh, jam.
No.
But at least it had Mola. Give me some points.
No, but it had Javed Ali was the other main singer. Going to Kenneth now.
Shit.
Is it Chaya Chaya Chaya? No, it's
No,
not.
not Chaya Chaya. Chaya Chaya have Satinder Singh.
I don't think
Okay,
it's a-
I'm going to give a hint and going to take another round. I'm going to make it a 5 point question now. The hint is Amir Khan. Starting with Sophie whenever she's ready.
It's a Run De Basanti song, but I don't remember which one. um, I'll pass.
Okay, passing to Shrija.
Chand Safarish.
Beautiful answer. It is
Oh,
Chand
yeah.
Safarish.
Oh my god, I love this song.
And Kailash Kher had just one word, which was Subhanallah.
Yeah.
Subhanallah.
Oh my god, I love this song.
I was in the
Yeah,
same space at least, Mola and Subhana.
yeah.
Nice one. Good one.
Somewhere.
He kept saying Subhanallah. And 5
I'm
points to
so
Shrija.
sad. I'm really sad.
Subhanallah, Shrija. Okay, Kavita, this is your direct. I'm explaining a particular movie. So this movie, in some sense, saved 20th Century Fox. Okay, because when Cleopatra bombed on box office, 20th Century Fox was close to bankruptcy. Okay, luckily X was so successful that it surpassed Gone with the Wind, which was till that date the most successful film ever. And not just on box office, this movie went on to win 5 Oscars, including Best Picture and Best Director. Today, if you adjust for ticket price inflation, X is still the third highest grossing film of all time. It's considered to be the most successful musical ever on film. Which movie are we talking about?
Musical is like the biggest hit ever. But it's like I know the movie, I can imagine the poster, but I can't. The word name is only not coming to me. Fuck. I'm pretty dumb that way. Hmm. Huh. This is easy, dude. This is just on me. Okay, I'll pass. Take a hint
Okay,
and take those points.
passing to Kenneth.
Is it Sound of Music?
It is, of course, Sound of Music, the most
Hmm.
successful
The
musical ever.
hills
Just
are
said.
alive with
Kenny
the
gets
sound
10
of
more points. Okay, Kenny is now, I think, back in the game with 4 straight 10 points. Okay, this might be the last question. I might do one more question because we did the reverse in Fibonacci at 11, so we'll make it 22. Sophie, this is your direct. Okay, you have to connect these movies. I will explain how. I'll explain something.
Yeah.
A Quiet Place is there, and then By the Sea, and then these 3 movies are clubbed together for certain reason. Okay, that's a hint. Eyes Wide Shut, Far and
Okay.
Away, and Days of Thunder are all like clubbed
Hmm.
together. Then there is El Cantante, there's Ali. Okay, so these movies, what is common to all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 movies that you see in this week? Again, not exhaustive. There might be other movies also like this.
I'm gonna take a guess. Is it Tom Cruise?
Tom Cruise, no, Tom Cruise has done many other movies. Also, he's not there in Ali, etc. Going to Shrija now.
Are they psychological thrillers
No, not psychological thrillers.
by
Going,
debutant directors?
no. Going to Pavi. Going to Pavi now.
Yeah, my guess is also going to be. I think even Shrija has only seen A Quiet Place, like me. So since she took that, I'll say, does it have? Is Emily Blunt the connecting?
Emily Blunt, the connect. No, going to Kenneth now.
Okay. Is it that? Okay, I'll just work it out. My answer. Quiet
Mhm.
Place is written by the director as well. Ali, I don't know the same. So my answer is, and Emily Blunt and the director obviously are married. So is the answer either that the actor or the person in the movie and the director are in their relationship, or that the actor also the director also wrote the film?
Okay, you are
So
actually very close to the answer, Kenneth. So I will give you
okay.
one more chance to have a look at all the movies and improve your answer. Especially look at the third point. You are very close. That's why I'm giving you one more chance. Just improve your answer.
Sure, I don't know which part you want me to improve. Is it my personality? No.
Your internet.
0.5
Wow.
0.5 to Pavitra also. Okay.
Okay,
I'm
I'll
giving
say
Kenneth
that.
one. Ah,
I'll say that the answer is that it's written and directed by the same person.
no, but there are like thousands of movies which are written directed by the same person.
That's
So
true.
I can't give you points.
Okay.
I'm taking one more round, starting with Sophie, making it a 5 point question.
But
Okay.
if you don't give the hint and I guess it, will you give me 10 points?
No,
Before
no,
you
no,
give the hint?
not,
Damn
no,
it.
no,
Okay.
not. I know, because Kenny made it so, like, if you heard what
Yeah.
Kenny said, if you just look at the third point, I mean,
Yeah.
and also like when Shrija and Pavitra said that they've only seen Quiet Place, really wanted to say that you can
That's
crack by
enough.
watching just one this movie. You don't have to watch all these movies anyway. But I'll have to give a hint. So hint is just think of the lead actors and then give me the answer.
Yeah. So the protagonists are real life husband wife.
Yeah, that is correct. Full 5 points to Sophie. All these
No,
people
I feel
married.
I should get a little bit.
She just got it. Okay, despite their prolific contemporary careers for the past 3 decades, Kamal Hassan and A.R. Rahman have collaborated only twice, which is very strange, right? They've been in the same industry for 30 years. They've only worked together twice. Once I've given you, once is a movie called Tenali, great comedy movie in Tamil. The other is a 1996 movie, which had a super hit Tamil and Hindi soundtrack, and it also had Urmila Matondkar. Which movie are we talking about?
Is it Rangila?
Not Rangila. Rangila was Kamal Hassan wasn't there in Rangila. Going
Yeah.
to Pavitra now. Also, Rangila came in '95. Pavitra.
I have a song in mind, but I don't remember the movie. Uh, if I sing
want
the
the
song, can I get half the points?
no, I want the movie. I might give you part points. I don't know. Depends on what you sing and depends on who, like what the others guess after you.
Yeah, telephone धुन में हंसने वाली, the song, but I
Yeah.
can't remember the movie.
I'll give you part points.
Maybe what? Yeah, I literally answered the last question and I didn't get anything.
But you
Very
don't have
sad.
a cute face like me, no, Kenny.
That's
I
true.
asked
That's
with,
true.
I asked with puppy dog eyes.
That's true.
The confidence
So-
with which you give
So
wrong
is
answers.
is that you're not improving on that? Okay, I'm going to Kenneth now.
I can't remember.
I don't know the answer, but I know the song. Telephone booth mein hasne wali.
No, I mean she already said that. No extra points there to Kenneth. Going to Sophie now. Sophie.
Even I don't know, but I'm gonna get Chachi Chatsubis.
Not Chachi Chatsubis. Chachi Chatsubis, I think had
Taboo.
no, but
Yeah.
Chachi Chatsubis was a Vishal Bhardwaj music, I think. So I'll make it 5 point question and again start with Shrija. The Tamil version of the movie is called Indian. Okay, Tamil version is called Indian. I now want the dubbed Hindi version of the movie.
Bharat?
No, not Bharat. Going to Pavitra now.
सलमान खान वाली मूवी बोल दी यार. God, I don't know. It's just not coming to me. I'll just pass. Bah.
Okay, passing to Kenneth.
I don't know, man. Pass.
Passing to Sophie.
I'm Hindustani.
Sorry, can you
Is it
repeat?
Hum Hindustani?
I'll give you one more chance to improve your guess.
Hindustani.
That is correct. The movie is called Hindustani.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Oh!
5 points to.
I made like all the list of I made a list of names with Hindustani in it, like movie names, and I had Saath Hindustani, Hindustan Ki Kasam, and I made up Hum Hindustani.
क्या बात है.
Wow,
Okay.
that brings us to the
Damn.
end of the quiz. I'll say the score now. Kenny got 3 points on the extra points, the extra brownie points that we gave. But he got a bunch of 10, 10, 10, 10 towards the second half, and he ended with 45 only on quizzing. So
Booyah.
he is total on 48. Okay. So
Yeah.
Kenneth has 48. Now I'm coming to Pavitra. Pavitra, continuing her last trend, gets a point that no one ever beats. And she has a total of 17.5. Now comes Shrija, 35. 35.5. And Sophie had 66 plus 1. 67 points. Okay, 67.
Oh wow,
So she's
that's
the
a
winner.
lot of points.
Yeah,
How did I
she-
get that?
Second, Kenneth. Third, Sija. And fourth, Pavi. This show, the winner of today's second quarterfinal is Pritika Panigrahi or Sophie. And the second person who qualifies is Kenneth Sebastian. Congratulations, Kenneth. Kenneth qualifies.
That is my
to-
Aadhaar card name.
Thank you so much.
Deserving
Thank
तो
you.
मैं ही ज्यादा थी ना. I
Shrija
should have
played
gone
really,
happy.
really well.
Ideally,
Shrija
I
was
should
very
have
good.
really been
Shrija was very, very, very good. Very
to the
good.
finals
Just
directly.
one question here and there. You never know.
I just want to say I'm disappointed that our fellow Indians don't know about Swades. Very disappointed. You know about Fitur with Sex Movie. Sex Movie you guys know, but you don't know about Swades, about NRI going outside, coming back to India to bring revenue.
Thank you so much, guys, and see you soon in one of
Okay, all
these.
the
Thank you,
best.
KB.
Thank you.
You're
All the
beautiful
best.
as always.
All the best,
Bye,
Kitty.
guys.
All the best,
Thank
Kenny.
you.
All the best,
Thank
TV.
you.
See you from the
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
audience.
Pavitra,
Pleasure.
Shrija, Swadika.
Bye.